So I wanted to do a less formal video, something. I came out here and was playing around on my bass. These days I've been so much more busy as I've added way more things to my list of many things that I was already doing. And so I don't get a lot of time to sit down on the bass as much as I used to and just play, just no agenda, just simply playing. And oftentimes when I do that type of stuff, I'll play stuff that I already know from my catalog, repertoire, so to speak. And I find myself warming up on just, chops and stuff I've been playing for years. You know? And just it's different things like that that I use to warm up my hands. I didn't realize it at the time, but it's so much in that from just a learning perspective. We're so quick, especially as bass players, and we're trying to improve and we're working on different stuff. We're so busy adding new things to our repertoire that we overlook the chops and the things that we already have and exploring different ways to use the stuff that we've already been using for years. If you guys have been around for a while, you've probably heard me say that for some time now. Use what is currently in your arsenal, Like a lot of the stuff that I'm playing, it's the same stuff over and over again. I'm just playing it in different spots. I am aware of what I'm playing. I have an idea of the theory of what I'm doing, as well as I know. When I say I'm aware, it's not so much the theory aspect as much as it is hearing how it fits. I feel like a lot of bass players that I train, to me, don't spend enough time on ear training because it seems we got to go to YouTube, we got to find a video, we got to copy this or copy that, or try to do the latest this and that. And oftentimes we overlook the simple things like ear training, simply working on your ear. Like if I hear something, somebody sings on the radio or something like that, immediately I would go and try to figure out in the early days of my playing, somebody, ooh. So finding, first of all, where is that at? Okay, I know what that is. So what can I do to make it more musical? So like trying to find ways, little things like that. It's just little things that we do naturally that we overlook when we're trying to get to the more complicated stuff. And so again, I just wanted to get on here today, do something a little bit more informal to give you guys some tips. Stop getting away from all of the stuff that you naturally do. Now, if there's a bad habit that you need to work out of your system, that's one thing. But there are things that are pluses to your playing. And sometimes we get away from these things trying to get to something else that we feel that is much cooler. It's going to be much more beneficial, but you'll be surprised how beneficial something that you already do is to your playing, and it will change the game for you if you start implementing that now. So So really quick, I want to let you guys know, if you're somebody who's trying to learn gospel bass and you're trying to improve your playing, your overall aggressiveness, being more aggressive, learning the different styles of music, maybe learning the hymns, maybe learning the congregational songs. You might even be struggling with how to play shout music and all that kind of stuff. If you're somebody who struggles with these types of things, I want to help you, and I want to help you to grow your skills as a bass player. Not only that, if you're struggling with coming up with licks and riffs and those types of things, I want to help you figure it out. So I encourage you to check out the link in the description below. or visit JermaineMorgan.net, and there I have a ton of lessons that you can check out. I have a ton of courses specifically geared towards bass players who are trying to improve in gospel, and a ton of other areas. But if that's where you need help, let me help you by visiting JermaineMorgan.net. So I'm Jermaine Morgan, and hopefully I've shared something today that has opened your mind up to what you are doing as a player and what you can continue to do to build your skills. If you want more from me, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I have tons of content, tons of bass lessons, as well as stuff on JermaineMorgan.net. That's a little bit more formal than this video, but I wanted to jump on here today, number one, and say, hey folks, how you doing? And also just kind of let you in on some of my behind the scenes stuff that I do. So have a great day, y'all. I'm out. Peace.